Have you ever wondered what makes a high quality paint last longer, resist wear, and maintain its vibrant color? Today I'm sharing an advanced technique to enhance paint durability and performance. Whether you're creating interior paint, industrial coating, or specialized finishes, this tip will take your production to the next level. Let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. In today's video, we are diving deep into the secret of making durable professional grade paint. These techniques are perfect for both beginners and experienced paint producers who wants to stand out in the market. Now, let's talk about why paint durability matters. Durable paints are key to the customer satisfaction. 1. Resist wear and tear. 2. Maintain vibrant colors over time. 3. Withstand harsh environmental condition. By enhancing your paint performance, you create products that people love and trust. The binders is the backbone of your paint, ensuring adhesion, durability, and resistance. 1. Upgraded to high performance binders, which are your acrylic for water-based paint, and then you have your modified acrylic resin for oil-based paint. So now, add cross-link agents to chemically bond your polymer chains and improving strength and flexibilities. So, 3. Use high quality pigment. Yes, pigment impact both aesthetic and durability. 1, we have the nano pigment, the ultra fine improved coverage and UV resistance. And then we have the inorganic pigment like the titanium dioxide and iron oxide. These resist fading and last longer. Of course, I know by now you already know the difference between organic pigment and inorganic pigment. Additives are game changers in paint production. Here are my top pickers. 1. Anti-corrosion agent. Zinc sulfide prevents rust on metal surfaces. And 2, we have our UV stabilizers. Hellas and Benotroza protect against UV degradation, keeping colors vibrant. 3. Antimicrobial agent. So we have the silver nanoparticles or isolasolinous prevents mold and mid ideal for humid environment. And 4, we have the radiolog modifiers. This associates thickness, improve application and sagging resistance in your paint. And then we have the water repellent. So under the water repellent, we have the silicone-based additives. It makes paint hydrophobic, perfect for exterior application. So now let's look into the enhanced film formulation. A strong cohesive paint flame is critical for performances. So 1, we have the plasticizers, which reduce cracking and improve flexibility. 2, we have the coalescent agent, ensures smooth flame formulation during drying time. And now, the advanced coating technology. So take your production further with advanced techniques like multiply coat system. Use primers base coat and top coat for maximum protection. And then self-healing coating. You have to add micro capsules for coating that repairs minor damages. And then we have the thermochromic coating, which creates specialized paint that changes color with temperatures. So now, let's look into the tailor paint for specific condition because different environments require tailored solution. So let's look at the high humidity. So you have to use your antimicrobial agent and silicone-based repellent. And then the high temperature, you have to add heat resistant pigment like iron oxide. And when you have the heavy wear areas, increase your binders and use hardening additives. And also ensure your paint meets durability standard through testing. by 1. Abrasion resistance. Scrub test, measure wear and cleaning resistance. And 2. Adhesion test. Check how well the paint stick to surfaces. We also have the weathering test. Stimulate long-term exposure to sunlight, moisture and heat. Flexibility test. Ensure the paint withstand exposure and contraction with cracking. So make your paint durable and eco-friendly by 1. Bio-based additive. Incorporate natural oil or resin for sustainability formulation. Yes, which you can use your DOP, your Texanol, glycer oil, etc. So if this advanced technique inspire you, hit the like button and comment paint production 31 lucky winners. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with anyone interested in mastering paint production. Tomorrow, we'll focus on how to test and ensure consistent paint quality in production. Make sure you subscribe, like I said, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss it. Let's keep building your paint business this Vlogmas. See you in the next video. Bye for now.